got compared to when I first told y'all that we was out here. Oh shit!
Oh shit!
We started out, man, at the car meet, pre-game car meet for the pit tomorrow. They're like, they kept us down or something. I said, over here. Hey, you feel me? So, hey, we'll probably, I don't know. It really ain't much content I can record for y'all here at the meet. But shit, at the pit, we're going crazy. Alright, so man, YouTube, we at the pit. As y'all can see, bro, we not even at the pit for real. I swear the pit is like all the way up there. Yeah, this line is like, I promise, bro, this line almost like a mile long, all the way. We've been in line probably for like 20 minutes already. Probably got another hour. So, yeah, man. I don't know. You heard that shit too? Shit, they popping, fool. I don't know, man, but hey, I guess we'll see y'all when we get to the pit in like another hour for real. Or whatever. It been definitely thumping. No, let me get the fuck out that way, y'all. The ambulance. Oh, it'll finna take me out, boy. Like, niggas, then that's what make it no better, bro. Like, some people are actually just butting, bro. Like, oh, damn, I'm already, fool. Hey, now, not acting a fool, y'all. This shit, huh, bro? Like, I got the striker boards out. Oh, this is like true. Like, true finna go control the track.
Hey, be quiet or go home.
Like, today, he can say down that bitch like that bitch down, fool.
Be quiet or go home.
Them niggas, they not even in the pit, they in line still. Alright, so y'all, I heard they not letting nobody in. That's why we been like line for like a whole nother hour. Y'all see, hang on. How much more deep it got compared to when I first told y'all that we was out here? So it's like we just parked like pimping at this point.
Hey, hit that bitch. Hit that bitch. Hit that bitch. Yes.
Oh, it sure is Z28. I ain't shot. It's Z28, fool.
Hey, look y'all. Shut down?
Yeah,
huh? No, shut down?
No, yeah, they shut it down.
We just sitting right here till we hear something.
That's crazy.
Yo,
the dude just said they was still sliding in there.
Yeah, no bullshit.
Yeah, they still in, but they ain't letting nobody in. Yeah, they said that everybody finna start going out too.
Damn.
Shit. Nah, I don't know nothing right now. That's why we parked up right here.
I bet. What they parking there, fool? Y'all goddamn, man.
Ooh, wee.
Yeah, nigga, we still ain't went into the pit. Y'all, we just out going on random ass side quests. That's what we on, side quest. Okay, Q, Quan, and all them, all they car right here. Y'all see, man, they go. Okay, Q truck, Quan, BMW, ride, Lambo.
You gotta talk to him about our train, bro.
About who?
Okay, cute.
Oh, fuck that. Hollow flying glaze going on over here, y'all. On, I made it back to the car. Yeah, okay, cute. They snuck up in that bitch.
They damn sure ducked off in that bitch.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie though. I seen it. I ain't see them coming. I just seen everybody falling their ass. Nigga, not that bitch.
Man, where he going?
You know, we come lamb chop down the road.
I'm gonna take my foot out, fool. Nigga, I'm gonna take my foot out. T, so he said just having fun. He just having fun, bro.
He want us to glaze this shit. That bitch look beautiful, but he want us to glaze.
He just having fun, bro. He just having fun, bro.
That bitch is nice and fucking person.
Hey, y'all don't like doing over here or something? Y'all don't like doing? Y'all don't like doing? Come on, man. Oh, no, all good. We ain't going. Y'all don't fuck with doing? Yeah, go ahead. Get on top of it. Okay, you.
Can I benefit too?
I did not get none of that shit on camera. So I shit. My bad, man. I might got some phone clips that I can throw in for y'all, but on camera, I ain't need getting nothing. I ain't gonna need luck to you.
Ah, dude.
Oh shit, y'all. Oh shit, y'all. There's a takeover. This boy coming in bad and crazy, bro.
White chocolate?
the next day.
Yo, YouTube, man, what we finna do, man, before we leave, like I said, son, I ain't get to slide it pit, nothing like that. So before we leave, man, what we finna do is go slide into Takeover slot from yesterday. Yeah, just do a little something before I leave, man. Like I say, back in my seat, we ain't got little spots like this, so we finna try to make the best what we could. I really do not got no tires, and not even gonna lie though.
Hey, tell his ass, come on, fool, but we got all damn day.
I don't give a fuck about no flips, we supposed to fucking record.
That ain't true. Nigga got 20 pictures in motion.
The fuck is you taking a thumbnail?
Bang damn camera.
Look at the video though.
Fuck
That's my Y'all see, man, we just got a little active and my tires, man, I got to drive 10 hours back, fool. I hope these tires are still good for 10 hours. Yeah. I guess that's how we're gonna end the fucking trip. We really need to leave this area. I was still in the area where I just slid it.